Hello guys, what's cracking? Today is Sunday and I am so excited because I am like a few weeks out from my wedding, which is crazy. I'm so excited because today I'm going to show you guys all of my outfits that I wore for my bachelorette, all of the updates, just because I recorded it all on my camera, which I think is fun. But I realized whenever I was filming, I forgot one outfit, and it was one of my favorite outfits. It was definitely one of your guys' favorite outfits, and so that's why I'm hopping on here before I even get started. So on the first night of my bachelorette, I wore this super down dress, which I'm gonna be posting pictures on the screen right now of like what I'm talking about. But it was like this stunning super down dress. It was under $100. It comes with the gloves and it just like sucks you in. I was a little nervous ordering the medium because reviews all said that you should probably size up, but it actually fit perfectly, so we love that. I wore that, and then I got these long train bow cuffs from Miss Greets London, I think is how it's pronounced. It looked amazing. I'm so proud of how that outfit turned out. I wore my usual earrings that I've been talking about, and then my little Amina Muaddi bag, which is so cute. I'm just very proud of that outfit. I really wish I would have recorded it, but I forgot, and that's life. I just like cannot believe that my bachelorette's over. Like, what the heck? But I had the best time ever. We stayed at the Virgin in Las Vegas, which is an off-strip hotel, but I think it's gonna be like really nice to show you guys because it was just perfect because it could accommodate everyone. It's pretty cheap if you guys are looking for like a cheaper alternative because you're just gonna be Ubering anyway most of the time. And since it's off strip, it's like, I think you can get rooms for like 69 bucks a night. We stayed there. They're not like paying me to say this. They didn't pay me at all. They just comped the rooms, which was so nice of them. And it was just amazing. We really loved it. We went to Cassie Beach House. We did it all. Hung out by the pool. We just had so much fun. So I guess we'll hop into that, which is the tour, and then the outfits start. So let's go. You guys, I just made it to my bachelorette party here in Vegas, and I have to show you guys the suite because, I mean, there's no reason I have to. I just really want to because, one, I know when you're on a bachelorette party, you're kind of on a budget, so I wanted to show you guys the Virgin because it's off strip and cheaper than, you know, the resorts are on the strip, so I'm so shook. Okay, I put on the stabilization so I do not make you guys dizzy. Like I said, we're here at the Virgin Hotel and I'm gonna show you guys our penthouse. Dying? Are you dying? I'm dying. Okay, so when we walk in to the penthouse, there's a pool table, which is insane. Pool table, which is casual, insane, amazing, iconic. There's a bar area over here, and just like a little seating area. As you can see, the strip is behind, well, part of the strip and stuff. So there's like room, there's a fridge, mini fridge, coffee, all that stuff. There's a seating area here, literally iconic, a buffet, another seating area over here, this humongous couch area. I mean, the photos that I'm going to be able to get here is going to be beyond iconic. I literally cannot wait because, like, what is life, you know? Then I'll show you guys my wing. So this is the entrance right here where my tripod is. Here is just like a guest bathroom, just half toilet. Hello. And then here is my room, which I'll probably be sharing with Caitlin. This is my outfit for traveling, Virgin red. I've got my Travis Scott Air Force, no, whatever, I don't even know what these are called. Anyway, over here is a toilet, 2 sinks, a little getting ready area, the craziest shower and bathtub situation. Like, hello, that's Las Vegas, in case you did not realize that. Then over here is the bedroom. So we have the king here. Amazing. Little seating area, the TV, little area. I needed to get into my suitcase. This is like a little dressing area with, I feel like I'm on the hills. I know that sounds weird, but that's what I feel like. A full body mirror, which is amazing. I love this lamp, it's so cool. And then you see all of the resorts over there. Oh my God, crazy. So that's one room. That's one of the wings. The other room, other two rooms, and then we have an additional double queen is down here. So here is another king bedroom. It's hot in here. I have to turn the AC on because it's toasty. Here's one of the other rooms, which is really nice. It's got a bathroom as well with a shower. That's so nice and great lighting. Oh, and a cute little vanity. I didn't even notice this. I love that. Okay, cool. I love the wallpapering. It's just so epic. They have a TV wardrobe area, a full body mirror. Then we go into here, and then there is another king down here. How freaking cool is that? So same setup, a little bit smaller, and then no vanity in here, but still huge. And then we also have a queen suite, which I'm not going to take you guys down to because then I'd have to get the key to get into it. But yeah, so all of my bridesmaids get this, or all of my girls on this trip with me get to stay here for free with me, which is so crazy, and I'm so glad I could do this. This is so exciting.
You got it.
Giving rich. Tell Caitlin to buy this bag.
She's trying to influence me, but I'm already getting shoes.
Okay, here is my casual day outfit. Just some sandals, my Margiela jeans, this tank top from Revolve. You guys know I love this. A belt from like Princess Polly, Chanel bag, and that's it. Here is my second night outfit. Wearing these Alessandra Rich earrings with my hair up in a bun. This dress by Santa Brands with skims underneath. The matching leg warmers in my squeaky Amina Muaddi heels. She served me. Cool day. This is my outfit of the day. It is this I Am Muse dress that I wore when I was in Vegas last time. My bun's coming out, ignore that. Hoops, like little mini hoops. And then this amazing swimsuit. I have no idea what the brand is. It's from Revolve. I love it. If you can see, it's like circled. I don't know how to describe it. And there's like rhinestones on the hip. It's so good. One of my favorite dresses of all time, as you know. Okay, here is my feather night outfit of the day. I'm wearing the same earrings that I've worn every single night. Alessandra Rich, this ring that I got on eBay. This dress by The Bar. It's one shoulder, it's so cute. This Paco Rabanne bag and Bottega heels. I was supposed to wear these Aminas and they literally look like sausage casing on my feet because they are so swollen.
So funny. The party tomorrow. I'll go check out. This is Caitlin. Sarah lost her Marauders map. Did you find it? You thank fucking God. She had to go back in the stall to find it.
It's ridiculous.
We don't have concealer, but we have the Marauders map.
And a compass. There's a
Harry.
compass right there. That's north. Yep. Due north.
Found it.
This is how you found us.
More of a snap.
Stop. Stop. Which one are you again?
I'm dead.
Which one, T-Rex?
Okay, so here is my, oh my God, this is such actually a cute outfit. I'm shocked.
I'm just now realizing.
This is a Ronnie Kobo lace blazer and pants that are from Revolve. I think it's sold out by now, but I think there's like Nonchalant brand that has something similar if you're a bride. Then I have my Bottega sunglasses on, my little Amina bag, and these flats that I got on ASOS because I planned accordingly and knew I wouldn't want to be wearing heels to this little tea party. So that was my Bachelorette. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is mainly like a video for me, I guess, just to like watch and like look back on because you don't get married all the time, you know? So I'm really excited about that. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.